Hello, and welcome to a brief introduction to the unknown world of complex numbers. A complex number is a combination of a real number and an imaginary number. It is used widely in engineering, from quantum mechanics, electromagnetism, and my personal favorite, oscillating currents. The cycle of imagination shows how I changes with increasing powers. I is equivalent to I raised to power 5 after going around the cycle. In school, we were normally taught that the square root of minus 1 is non-existent, but it was not a lie, but merely an exemption of the whole truth. They can be added and subtracted by using basic arithmetics, but by doing a type of number separate to its own. That is, adding the real part separately and the imaginary part separately. Multiplication is a little bit tricky, but we'll come on to that later. Lastly, complex numbers can be represented on a graph called an R-Gard diagram that shows its argument and modulus, that is the breakdown of the polar form of the complex number. Very important though, the argument has to be measured from the real axis in an anti-clockwise direction. Thank you, and I hope I've been able to give you a brief insight to how we deal with complex numbers.